Catago's FIR-Tech Pro devices deliver energy from far infrared waves directly to the body of the horses using high-grade fibres. Far infrared energy emitted from FIR-Tech Pro devices powers the cells. Let's take a closer look and see how far infrared waves with the specific wavelength of 5 to 20 nanometers can influence cell energy in the body. All cells in the body have a miniature power plant called the mitochondria. This is where the cell's energy is produced. It is called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is formed from oxygen and glucose, both of which are carried to cells by blood flow. With decreased blood flow, all cells and nerves are not receiving the proper amount of oxygen in glucose. Therefore, the mitochondria cannot produce efficient amounts of ATP. Nerves sense this lack of ATP production by sending pain signals to the brain. Mitochondria are very sensitive to specific wavelengths of infrared light. It stimulates the release of nitric oxide from hemoglobin into the bloodstream. Through muscle cell relaxation, the blood vessel diameter enlarges. This allows more blood to flow through the vessels. Think of how painful it can become if a part of the body is squeezed and cuts off blood flow. Pain recedes when the part is not squeezed anymore. Light and far infrared waves are photons and are quantum units of energy emitted at a specific wavelength. Light near the blue end penetrate about 2 to 3 millimeters. Light at the red end about 8 to 10 millimeters. Far infrared waves penetrates about 20 to 100 millimeters. Far infrared light is more energetic than visible light, less resistant to reflection and absorption, and therefore penetrates soft tissue to a much deeper level. Specific wavelengths in the far infrared spectrum help to create a better oxidative environment in cells. This result can be the activation of numerous intracellular signalings, energy activation, and enhanced cell cycle progression. This can be directly attributed to increased blood flow. The net result is a cascade of beneficial chemical reactions throughout damaged cells that can stimulate regeneration. These relaxing properties of active long-wave infrared radiation makes the FIR-Tech Pro products very suitable to be used for sports, wellness and relaxation.